In this lesson, I'm going to show you one more tool that I use for going live, which I've found to be very helpful. It's called Ecamm Live. Now, this is only available for Mac users, so if you're not using a Mac, sorry, this is just for Mac users. If you're using a PC, this basically does a similar thing that OBS does, but it's a little bit more user-friendly. You can see here at their website, ecamm.com, that they have a free trial, or you can purchase it for $79. So once you get it installed, I'm going to show you how you actually set it up. So I'm switching over to Ecamm Live here. All right, so once you have Ecamm Live, and you can see me in the screen now, once you have it installed, I have it already set up, but basically it does a lot of things that you saw in the OBS lesson in the last lesson. So up at the top, you can choose your camera, you can choose your microphone. Another thing you can do is add overlays. So for example, I have like my logo, for example, that I can use as an overlay. You can add text, images, you can even add movies. So this is if you're doing a live stream and you have like a video you want to play during the live stream, you can do that with overlays. You can also record straight within this Ecamm Live as well to your computer, so you have the higher quality video. And then you can choose whether you want to stream to YouTube, Facebook, etc. So here in the bottom right-hand corner of Ecamm Live, you can choose the destination. So the built-in options are YouTube, Twitch, Periscope, Facebook. I'm on YouTube right now. You can choose it for it to be public, unlisted, or private. You can choose it for it to be unscheduled or live. Or rather scheduled or live. So I'm going to do now, unscheduled. Over on the left-hand side, you can choose a title. So testing out, testing Ecamm Live, and then a description. Here is a description. Cool. And then similar to OBS, you can create actual scenes. So if you open up the window for scenes, you can see the scenes that I've set up. So basically click plus to create a new scene, and then you adjust your camera settings. And for example, if you want, you can add a desktop. So for example, clicking this button here shows the desktop and my video. So we can move my video around, put it in the bottom corner. We can exit the video or add the video. To add the video back, we click this button right here. So up here at the top, it goes from video, full screen, to desktop. This is the movie if you want to play a video file. And then if you want to get rid of the video player on top of the desktop, you just click this button right here. You can choose to show a specific application. You can choose your entire screen, etc. So if I want to show ScreenFlow, for example, if I'm doing a tutorial on how I use ScreenFlow, I can just choose the ScreenFlow app, and it's not going to show any other thing in the background. Even though right now I'm actually looking at a browser, in the stream, it would only show ScreenFlow, for example. All right, so you can set up your scenes, you can name them, you can lock them so that you can't make changes, and then during the live stream, you can switch between them. So I can use the keyboard shortcut Command 1 to go to the full screen, Command 2 to go to the new screen. I have different ones, pick and pick, which is what it looks like, and then desktop, for example. This is my just desktop without video. So these are just quick ways to switch from camera view to camera view. When you're ready to go live, just click the Go Live button. And we are unlisted, right? So we're unlisted. Now we are going live on YouTube. So let me go over and see on YouTube what this is going to look like. So notice that I just clicked the view little button right here. So now our live stream is showing up, and we can see that on our desktop. And so you might want to open this up on another computer or something so you can see it. Another window you have is comments and reactions. So this is built into Ecamm Live. You can see the comments and things that are coming in through YouTube right here in this app. When you're done streaming, just click the finish button and click end broadcast, and it's going to actually save the file, and you can see the post on YouTube here. By clicking this button, you can delete the post if you don't want it to be on YouTube, or you can just see the file that has been automatically saved to your computer here, right here. Cool. All right, so that's how you use Ecamm Live. I know most of you aren't going to be using Ecamm Live, but if you have any questions about it, please feel free to let me know, and I'll try to help you out as best as possible. So that's the live streaming section. We've gone over the ways that you can go live on YouTube. If you have questions, please let me know about any of them. And of course, as things change on YouTube, we will try to update them. But now I think you know the basics and you'll be ready to go live on YouTube.